Alright guys, we just made it to Sunny Boy, and actually we just saw a video today of it and we decided to come right away because fortunately he does live relatively close. So this is Sunny Boy. We'll kind of explain what happened. I know a little bit and we'll ask a couple more questions to kind of learn a bit more, but he had like a routine dental exam or something.
Sige ka nang nag-start, ana?
Sinipon.
Start sa tooth, hindi yung ibot.
Wala. May daan naman. May daan na. Pag-ibot, may daan ng kulay ang lagos.
Oh, like they extracted one tooth and there's like, it got infection?
It got infection.
Yeah.
Okay. So Sunny Boy went to the dentist to try to extract a tooth. It got infected. And then how long ago was this?
Nus dugay na na?
10 years ago naman.
10 years ago.
Itong gaway pa ang tatubok man.
It started like
Ay,
small.
tumor man.
Ah, the result is tumor?
Sabi ni doktor, makasal tumubo, basta tumor.
It's like a tumor. It started
Okay.
like getting bigger, like small.
How long ago did it start to get bigger? How long has it been like this for?
Pila na siya ka years na yun, anak?
5 years naman.
5 years? 5 years.
5 years?
Maala ba mama? Ano pa?
5 years. It started 5 years ago, like small to get bigger. This is the worst.
Okay, and it just keeps getting worse and worse.
Worse and worse.
So have you been to the doctor?
Then, yeah, she said they've been to the doctor for like a year, going back and forth.
Like a year, every month, or every few
Kanang
weeks?
Tuig na mo si balik sa doctor, no?
Itong, kaya sa Soto man, tuwing namin, pero dito sa Tacloban sa mga oray,
Ito sa mo.
ano pa kami, pero pag may ano sa mga kanang, may resita sa kay Pransya, pero lockdown.
Oh, so they, when it started like swelling, they go to doctors and everything, and of course we know that there's a lot of going back and forth, and then lockdown happened, and then they, wala mo nakadtog doktor pag lockdown, no?
Wala.
No, they stopped
Pagbalik
lockdown.
namin, sabi, nagsulti siya nga, dili na siya opera kay malaki. Nagpulbukol na. Kaya nagpirar mi sa Cebu.
Oh, so when they went back to the doctor, it says they will not operate because it's like so big now. So they refer to other hospital which is in Cebu,
Okay.
Soto.
and then sa Soto, and then
Soto.
sa ingon nila, kinahanglan siya og
Referral Soto.
Soto.
Ang nagsabi sila mga, nagsulti sila nga, among palito ng katunggan mga resita nga 117.
yan napalit na to.
O, nana, mayroon na.
Oh.
Nana, ma'am, nana.
So he has like medicines and everything. They bought the medicine. They already like getting from help from other people too. So slowly to get the medicine, and then now he needs kinahanglan niya
Kaya pag
implant.
dito naman sa kwan, nagsulti sila ma'am, mga nagturo po sa okta, sa mata,
Oh,
27 na po ma'am. Na-resita na ako 27.
para na sa
Palito na po para ikuha niya, idugang sa iyang kuhan ka ng murag, nahilong na sila, nahilong.
oh, so
27 ma'am.
now they
Na-
need
naisita
27,000 for like opta for his eyes because it's also infected now due to his swollen, so they need ma-start kung kana siya ang makinahanglan 27, maka-start na sila kupera.
O, wala man sila magbalibad ma'am.
Oh, wala pa.
Wala sa balibad.
Oh, they will not operate yet.
Why?
Till
He has the money?
yeah, for
Okay.
but they need to what he has a complication with his eyes now due to swollen, so they need 27,000 for that for his eyes.
So first it's just 27 for his eyes, and then he needs more for his tumor?
For the tumor, they have medicine for that one, and then this time another receipt for his eyes.
Okay, so the
They will
main
not-
the main
they will not
concern right
operate
now
yet.
is the eye.
Yeah, they will not operate yet. They will make sure everything will be okay, like the eyes for now.
Okay. So as soon as you're able to get the money, then you're able to go to the doctor?
Yeah, that's what they're waiting. Like they're
Okay.
posting to ask for help.
Okay. Well, right now I have around 20,000 saved up.
Nay, ingon siya nay, karon ko na daw siya 20,000.
20,000.
And possibly I can get some more. And as soon as I do, I think this is urgent. I'll try my best to get more money. And if we can we hurry up and schedule an appointment to go?
Ingon siya nay, karon nay na siya 20,000 din basin mapunan pa ni nay. Unyag madala na yung 27 madali na siya dito sa hospital balik nay.
Oh, okay. Maro ilay kiwan ma'am.
Yes, that's what they're waiting. That's their house at the back. He's living there.
Okay.
But right now they are separating him here in the tent.
Okay.
With fresh air.
Are you able to speak at all?
Makatabi siya. Makatabi.
Oh, pwede lang mo.
Oh yeah, you can
Tabi
talk.
dong,
Yeah.
tabi dong.
Storya boy.
Is it difficult to breathe?
Oh,
Yes.
Pero.
Difficult to breathe. And right now, your eye is covered by the growth. Once they're able to, I don't know, operate in your eye, were you able to have vision
Yeah.
again?
Oh, para unsa man para makakita balik or
Nay, implant ma'am, implant ma'am. Ako ipagita ma'am.
they're not sure how
mo.
What the
how
situation
the
is
situation
because
is,
it's
but-
been so long.
yeah,
Okay.
but they need like something for his eye
Okay.
to so like I don't know because that like right now it's
Binala
covered.
na ma'am, binala na bayad na ma'am.
Okay.
Kaya
When
na,
did it
ma'am,
start to
sabi mo.
cover his eye?
Nana.
Nus ana na
How long
start
ago?
nga nakabiran iyang mata. Nus ana na start nga nakabiran na jud iyang mata kasi kadako.
Kaya. 2004.
2004.
2004. Okay.
Sa una,
I wish we knew about this
Ano
when we were here before.
Sabi si doktor ma'am, tubo ang tumor. Tubo.
it's very fast.
Okay.
It moves very fast.
Hindi sa maoperahan ma'am. Dali sa isa ma'am.
If
Na.
they will that one will not be operated. It will cover the whole face.
Okay. So I think this is very urgent. So, are you able to call them and set an appointment? We don't have all the funds yet, but I'm gonna try my best to get some more funds, and we'll go to this
They will go right away once they get the fund.
once they get the funds. Okay. Do you need to schedule an appointment?
Mag-schedule mo
Or are you just gonna drive up there?
So, Monday, Thursday naman ang yun.
Oh, okay. So only Thursday. So like
Only Thursdays
only
that they can
Thursday
go?
No, only Thursday not
Oh, so
Like,
any other day is fine.
any other day is fine.
Even Saturday and Sunday?
Saturday, Sunday. Okay, sad.
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
except Saturday.
Okay. Okay, then
Yeah.
yeah, we're gonna try, Sunny Boy. We're gonna try our best to help you out. Okay.
Tabang daw siya.
Such. Yeah. No, it's okay.
Sabi mo thank you.
I wish we would have heard about you earlier.
Ano siya kanang kung kibaw pa lang siya daan makatabang din siya kung kibaw pa may daan sa sitwasyon ba kay nag-scroll mo ko sa Facebook nakita ako sa post ni ate. Good.
Yeah, we
Samaritan,
just saw.
she posted Sunny Boy situation just in case they get help.
Yeah.
So I
And-
saw it. We
and-
saw it and
And it's right. It's really not too. It's like maybe a 15-20 minute drive. It's
Yeah.
not so bad. And luckily we're able to come today. In the sun, it was clear today. It has been raining so much. But yeah, Sunny Boy. I know that this has to be really difficult for you. Right now, can only breathe through the mouth or the nose?
iyang ginawa asa man ba ra
Baba ma'am, pag ginawa
To-
to the mouth.
Through the mouth right now?
Hirapan na siya
Okay.
pagpagaw ma'am.
And it's hard to eat.
I bet it's hard to eat. Okay.
So sa pagkaon niya ihos.
Dili, ako sana ma'am. Ano siya ma'am. Kunti lang kumain niya ma'am. Na?
Okay, we're gonna try our best to get this as quickly as we can.
So dako siya sa una. He was big.
Wala pang
before.
Pasko ma'am.
What do you mean big?
Like he's big guy.
Oh, like muscle? Like
Wala pang
okay.
Pasko, malaki siya.
And he gets Tina.
All right, guys. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here. I guess I'll kind of step back. This is where Sunny Boy is staying right now, in this tent to get some fresh air. There is kind of like a smell coming off of it, so they're trying to kind of separate from. They live over there. Where does Sunny Boy live before? He lived here before.
That's their house.
Okay, and then when did he move out here?
Ano sa alang siya nagtent-tent din ay?
Last week.
Last week.
Just last week, just recent. What is the reason why?
Just a fresh air, they said.
For the fresh air? Okay.
And then there's a lot of discharge on his today, so
Hangin, ma'am.
Okay.
Dito lang hangin, ma'am.
This is kind of the area. This is where we are. And there is a lot of fresh air here. There's their house. All right, Sonny boy, it was very nice to meet you, okay? I'm gonna write some emails and hopefully we can get some funds. And very soon, I think we should go to the city and see what we can do there. Okay?
kaya siya nga matabangan.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. It's very nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you. All right, guys, I guess I'll just end the video here. And God bless. We'll contact you very soon, okay? All right, you guys take care. Thanks for posting the video.
Thank you so
Yeah, again, I wish we would have saw this earlier, but all right. Take care. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so I just went back to my house and got some money, and I want this to get going as soon as possible. And this is Marvick, and I've been talking to her just a little bit. She actually has her own little Facebook Facebook page.
Team Tinabangay.
Repeat it.
Team Tinabangay.
Okay, very cool. And she does it herself, and she does help around the area. So she was able to raise some money for Sonny Boy, and this money I wanted to go back and get some more money to get the surgery started. So here's 27,000. This is thank you to my channel. I raised 20,000. The 7 extra came from me, but I think some more people might donate if they see this video. So thank you guys all who do help. But I didn't want to get this going right away because Sonny Boy, you know, I don't want him to suffer any longer. I can't believe, I can't like imagine what he's going through. So anyway, so hopefully we can get this started. So tomorrow you will go to the hospital and see what they can do. So just a little background. I did talk to Marvick a little bit. Tomorrow, or the first surgery they're going to do is remove the tumor.
Tumor, yeah.
Okay.
Remove the amyloblastoma tumor. Then after they remove the tumor, they put the like the implant for the eye.
So that's the second surgery?
Yeah, that's
Oh, part of the first surgery.
part of the first surgery.
Okay.
Yeah, and then that's all.
So there's only one surgery or there's 2 surgeries?
Just one.
Just one. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was the impression that there's 2. So the first surgery, that's all he needs.
Yeah, that's remove the amyloblastoma.
Okay.
And then that's the implant is for the eye to hold the eye. So if they remove the tumor, that's the eye cannot go down.
Okay, so right now the eye is probably sunken.
Yes.
Okay, it's hard to see kind of what we saw just by looking at him, but you know, his whole face is swollen. I guess his eye is down. So do you think, did the doctor say if he's able to regain his vision?
Yes.
He will be able to.
The vision is okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just the 2 eyes, it's fine. He can see. The 2 eyes is fine. Just the doctor said only just hold the eye.
Hold the eye up.
Implant for the
But
hold.
right now, he can't see out of his left eye though, right?
Yeah, because
Right
of
now
the
he
tumor,
cannot.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but they did say that he will be able to see after the surgery.
Yes.
Okay, that's really good news.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Okay, I feel better. Yeah, I wanted to get this going though as soon as possible. Like I said, I wish we would have knew about this sooner. But good for you for doing this and raising so much money. And I'm glad we're. Hey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, you're very welcome, and thank you to my subscribers as well, and thank you to all their donators to your page as well. Like, people are amazing. Yeah, it really is. It's
Just like this, God. God is good.
This is when social media is good.
Yes.
This is what social media is meant to be for, you know?
Thank you.
Helping people. Yes, this is amazing. So this is a very good day, and then tomorrow you'll go to the city. You'll have an ambulance to take you there.
I already chat our barangay captain, but she's still not replying. So
Okay.
I will call.
Well, I think now we have your contact information, so we'll stay in touch, and I'll let my subscribers know kind of what's going on. But man, God bless.
God bless.
Okay,
Thank you so
yes,
much.
you're very welcome. You're very welcome. Hey, Sonny boy.
Thank you.
So hopefully tomorrow we'll head to the you guys will head to the hospital, okay? Okay, you're very, very welcome. So Everything's gonna work out, okay? All right, bro. All right. So thank you, subscribers, and hopefully very soon we'll have a positive update. Okay. All right, bro. Take it easy, man.
God. Bless God.
Oh, bless God. Yes. Yes. Praise the Lord. All right. Yes, this is good. All right. I'm feeling good about this. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Welcome. I just want to show everyone's very in high spirits. Sonny Boy's very happy. How you feeling?
Happy.
Good. Happy.
Happy.
Good. That Sonny Boy's very happy. That's good. Well, I'm very glad I met you today. And
English na daw, English.
oh, it's okay. He doesn't speak English. It's okay. We have a lot of Visaya subscribers, so I just know that you're very thankful.
Thank you, sir. Inlan, thank you, sir.
All right, man. So everyone's very happy today, and we're gonna head to the doctor tomorrow.
Yes.
All right, bro. We'll see you later.